Enabling two-factor authentication on Discord adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Open user settings. Log into your Discord account and click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen to access user settings. Step 2. Navigate to security. In the user settings menu, find and click on the privacy and safety tab. Scroll down until you see the security section. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security section, look for the option labeled Enable two-factor authentication. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Use an authentication app. You will be prompted to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Download one of these apps if you haven't already and scan the QR code displayed on Discord. Step 5. Enter the verification code. After scanning the QR code, the authentication app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back in Discord to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Once you have completed these steps, your Discord account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your authentication app handy for future logins.